Good, af- Good afternoon everyone. My name is Paul Lander Morot and we'll discuss about MS-DOS command. Before we start, I'm sorry for unnecessary noise in my back because I'm recording in computer shop. Without further ado, we start. What are MS-DOS commands? MS-DOS commands are text-based instructions used to perform tasks like managing files and running programs. They include internal commands like dir and cd, and external ones like format and chkdsk. These commands let user control the system without a graphical interface. For example, copy, duplicate files, and delete them. Why are MS-DOS commands used? MS-DOS commands let user interact directly with the operating system through a command line interface. They use for tasks like managing files and directories, running programs, and checking system info. These commands are especially useful for troubleshooting, scripting, and automation, and lay the groundwork for many modern Linux tools. Here's my list of those commands. Conclusion. In conclusion, MS-DOS command provides a powerful way to control manage a computer system through simple text instruction. They are essential for performing basic operations, especially in environments without graphical interface, and remain foundational part of command line computing. And that's all. Thank you. And now we're going to show you some commands in DOS command. You can search CMD for command prompt in search bar, or the shortcut is Windows R. Type CMD, then you're here in DOS command. F. Now I'm gonna show you some how to rename and copy text. Let's rename sample2.txt to sample100.txt. Oh, let's recognize. Oh, my bad. Sample2.txt to sample100.txt. Yan, you can see it changed to from 2 to 100. Now I'm going to copy sample100.txt to sample folder. Then sample folder, you can see the sample 100. Now we're going to delete the sample 100 in this dash type del and sample 100.txt, then it's gone. Now we're going to discuss the this part. Windows R, CMD, then show the first is type this part. After that it shows, then type list this. It shows the list of your disk, then select this one. You can select volume. Oh, my bad, this volume, please. Volume, this is my flash drive ITC129. Then select volume 1. Now it's selected. Now I'm gonna clean it. It's successful clean. Now we're going to create partition primary. It succeed. Then format fs equal to nt fs quick for quick formatting. Let's wait for the and if it's complete, then type assign. After that, it's finished. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you.